Today we're going to be talking about the importance of a personal brand. And if you want to make money online, then you have to make a personal brand, and a good one at that. The reason for this is because let's say you're a copywriter, right? And you want to get clients and you want to outreach on Instagram. Well, the only way a client is actually going to respond to you, let alone take you into consideration, then you're going to have a following on there. You're going to have some posts on there. You're going to have a link in there to your portfolio or something. You're going to have a personal brand, right? Doesn't matter what platform you outreach on, whether it's TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, it doesn't matter. If you're outreaching on that platform, you'll have to have built a good personal brand on that platform, right? So if you want to make money online, then you have to have a personal brand. Whether you want to turn fans into paying clients or you want to outreach to get clients, you have to have a personal brand. Now, the basics of a personal brand is there's not much to it. You just have to post as much value as possible. You have to network with as much people that are like you. So you have to network with other people in your niche, other people that have the same goal as you. You have to network with them, make a group with them, basically connect with everyone in your niche, in your market, build a following off of that, grow your personal brand, while also make friends online, etc. So they can interact, like, comment, and do whatever with your posts. So clients, if you outreach to them in the future, they'll be able to see that you have an engaged fan base as well as a number of followers on your thing. Now, there's probably exceptions to this rule, but my advice is to get to 3 digits of followers before doing anything. Get to 100 followers before doing anything. Like at least 100 before outreaching. At least get to 100. At least have established posts of pure value on your page, on your feed, whatever. Right now, with me and my personal brand, I built my personal brand on Twitter. I gained it to like 1,000 followers. But the thing is, I wasn't outreaching on Twitter and I wasn't trying to convert those fans into paying clients because that just wasn't my goal at the time with Twitter, right? So I had basically built up to 1,000 followers on Twitter for absolutely no reason at all. At that point, I was just doing it because I was addicted to the numbers. I was addicted to seeing that number get bigger and bigger and bigger every single day. I was addicted to it. So then that personal brand became obsolete, and I'm now here today on YouTube building my personal brand. Not necessarily, there's not really a main goal here, but I'm just making these videos to help people like you, help people that need advice but can't find it on the internet. Well, there's probably someone else talking about this, but I'm talking about it from my experience, also so you can learn from my mistakes as well. Now, I just told you one of my mistakes if you were paying attention. The mistake was I got too attached to the numbers. I got too obsessed with them. I got too attracted to them. I was just addicted to them and I was doing what I was doing, growing my personal brand for absolutely no reason. So when you do build your personal brand, or if you have already started, then you have to make sure that you do not get attached to the numbers. You have to make sure once you've hit that 100 goal, your your priority has shifted from growing your personal brand to getting as many clients as possible. Now, you still have to post, you still have to do stuff for your personal brand to like gain a bit of traction. However, if you want to get those clients, you need to have the 100. Now, you can also build a personal brand on YouTube. This is more of a documenting your own journey type of thing. You know, there's ways that you can get clients through YouTube. Think of YouTube as like an automated outreach system. You know, you make your video, you make your VSL, and the YouTube algorithm acts as an automated system that will send your video to infinite amount of clients out there. So you have to provide value, you have to make the video clickable, etc. So then when you do make a video, let's say you've made a video about how to write a certain bit of copy or how to write like an email copy, for example. You know, you could be a video editor, you could be anyone, but for this example, I'm using copywriting. So let's say you have just uploaded an email copywriting tutorial. Now, a client can get that recommended, or a prospect can get that recommended on their homepage, and now they've just found someone who's able to write email copy. And then they've clicked the video, they've watched the tutorial, and they see, oh, this person can actually write good copy. Let me try and contact him. And then the link to your personal brand elsewhere, like Twitter or Instagram, will be there, or even your email address. And now they've contacted you through that. So now you just have an automated inbound lead system through your YouTube videos. So that's just another bit of advice. But yeah, don't overthink the whole personal brand thing. You just there's a lot of free guides out there on how to grow a personal brand really quickly. I mean, I've got one for Twitter, but it might be out of date. I'll just put the link in the bio. I'll just put the link in the description anyway, in case you want to look at that. But yeah, don't overthink it. Just trust your intuition and do your own thing. Peace.